this is my cousin slime and it's a funny video, I think. La 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 la. It's a slime. It's color white. Is this a bar slime?
I think.
Of course, it's a bar slime. It's made by lotion.
Let's see it.
And smell like lotion.
Let's see it.
What is that butter? It's not yellow. Just paint it yellow or something.
I don't have some food color.
Blah blah blah
We
blah
have
blah.
some food coloring right here.
I don't think that's food coloring.
Oh, I will bring you there and
Blah blah.
it's so starchy, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, like liquid.
I think it's
Walang ginaganyan sa amin na yung
I don't
sana
think-
meron sinabi ko na.
It's so starchy.
this is a frosting.
It's not a frosting, it's slime, but it's like frosting. Like this one. Like white frosting.
Can it bounce?
I don't think, but
Oh, it doesn't bounce.
oh, but a little bit.
A little bit, but it's not a breaking ball. Make
But
it like a wrecking ball. Oh my god. Hey, I can take that. It's so big.
Okay.
Snake is. I think it's a snake slime.
Like that.
I will eat that. I'm just joking. I will not eat that.
Butterfly.
Because it looks like bubble gum.
Butterfly.
Didn't touch yet. Cannot touch that.
It's so stinky, right?
It's unpleasant. Unpleasant.
Smell.
Yeah.
But it's stretchy
Blah
though.
blah blah blah.
Like that. Oh, liquid.
Let's teleport.
To
I don't know.
kitchen or
Nope. Nothing. I just forget it.
Okay, fine.
Is it done?
Yes.
Okay. Bye bye guys. See you later.